Do you want to see one of the most popular floor plans in the master plan community of Fireside at Norterra? Well, I'm going to show it to you. Welcome in. Come and check it out. So every house I list, there's always a little something that is needed in order to help market it and get it sold quickly. And for this house, it was going to be sold vacant. So what needed to happen was staging. So we had it professionally staged, and you can see that it is absolutely phenomenal and is going to help this house sell quick. So many things that make this the most popular model in the master plan community at Fireside at Norterra. Some of those things are, though, there is space. Let's say, you both work at home, your husband, your wife, you both work at home. Well, somebody could be out in the casita, use that as an office. You also have a designated den area. And if you have kids that need their own space, plenty of space in the loft. There's also a little landing area, perfect for homework. And if you don't want to use the casita as a workspace, it's perfect for a gym, or you can even have your in-laws in there. This is just one of many homes that we list with the Sakala group in the North Phoenix area. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe to our channel.